Elon Musk just announced that Tesla is going to launch Terafab project in 7 days. Why Terafab project? Basically, one day Elon Musk woke up in the morning and then he found that a shortage is going on for the chips. These chips are not for the phone or not for the laptop, and these chips are for the AI related things, or you can say that they are Tesla Dojo supercomputer which they use for their full self-driving purpose. There they are using this, and they already have the gigafactory where they are producing the batteries, and they can use that. But as this concept of producing AI chips is totally different, and that's why Elon Musk thought that please make a new project and give the name as the Terafab. So here you see that we asked Gorg that what is this Terafab project, please explain, and Gorg explained it in a simple way. The Terafab project is Tesla's plan for a massive Terafab semiconductor manufacturing facility. It will combine logic, chip production, memory, and advanced packaging all in one huge domestic plant to hit the enormous scale, potentially 100 billion plus chips per year for AI demands in FSD, full self-driving, Optimus robot, Dojo supercomputer, and beyond. And this avoids future supply bottlenecks from external foundries. And what are the external foundries available? Like one of the biggest chip producer is this Taiwan Semiconductor, and also Nvidia is there, and Samsung Electronics are there. So there are few limited companies who are producing chips, and when all of the companies like Grok, Claude, OpenAI, Google, all of the companies are actually doing AI related activity and they need more chips, so there is a shortage of chips. So that's why Elon Musk is saying that please make our own AI factory, and that's why Elon Musk is saying that we will make our own chips factory, and he is giving the name as the Terafab. Now another interesting thing is that one person posted that both XAI and Meta seem to be falling behind based on the Grok 4.2 benchmarks and this reporting. These frontier AI models are really a three-way race at this point. So what happens that actually Meta, we all know they are producing a new frontier AI model Avocado, but they are actually working on that and they are delaying the release of this Avocado until at least May, after it underperformed on internal evals. Okay, now when this person is saying Ethan that both XI and Meta are seem to be falling behind from all of the other models like Claude and Gemini and also OpenAI, Elon Musk Elon Musk also agrees on this comment. Here you see that XAI will catch up this year and then exceed them all by such a long distance in 3 years that you will need the James Webb telescope to see who is in second place. So Elon Musk is saying that yes, XAI is also falling behind the other frontier models. Okay, so here you see that, oh look, Elon agrees with me, XAI is clearly behind, and it is where that people don't realize this. Some people are telling that XAI Gork model is really best for coding and reasoning purpose, but Elon also agrees that XAI models are not that much good enough like the Claude and Gemini and also OpenAI models. And there, this is another that Linus created Linux at 21 without Claude or any other AI. It is right that when Linux was created, at that time there was no Claude, there was no AI. So he did not have a co-founder, no VC founding, no office, no team, just a personal project, and he posted to a mailing list, I am doing a free operating system. 33 years later, it turns 97% of the world's servers, all smartphones, and the International Space Station. The most important software in history started as someone's side project. Okay, and it is absolute legend, this person, right? So it is clear that if you have enough knowledge, then you can also beat AI. You don't need the AI, right? And you need to have the idea and you need to have the creativity, then only you can make any kind of project in your life. So yes, this was the news that I wanted to share with you guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe this channel, don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.